I've been experimenting with this concept ever since ChatGPT gained popularity. Over time, I've developed a robust system with unique strategies that require minimal effort on your part. I assure you that the value you'll find in this free video is likely unparalleled elsewhere. You might be wondering about the essence of this business. Let me clarify. Imagine you want to purchase a book on self-improvement. The first thing you'd probably do is head to Google and search for the best books in that category. Chances are, you'll land on a website listing several books that pique your interest. What most people don't realize is that these are affiliate products. This means that if you click on one and make a purchase, the website owner earns a commission. Before you dismiss this business model as common knowledge, consider that the method I'm about to share is quite different from the usual approach to affiliate marketing. By following these techniques and investing some effort, you can achieve results similar to what I've accomplished. Let me provide a broad overview of what we'll cover today. Our primary objective is to create and publish an article capable of generating passive income through affiliate links. The initial step is to select a topic for the article. We'll then leverage ChatGPT to automate the writing process using custom commands and prompts I've personally devised. Following that, I'll guide you on how to monetize your article by promoting relevant affiliate offers. Lastly, we'll polish the article, publish it, and offer tips to start seeing results swiftly. Let's delve deeper into each step, beginning with topic research. There are two distinct methods I'll share, with the second being a method of my own creation. Like any business, the first step is to choose a niche. If you don't have a specific idea in mind, head over to Wikipedia and search for a list of hobbies. You'll find hundreds of niches there, and one of them is bound to catch your interest. However, if you enjoy using ChatGPT like I do, you can generate endless ideas. Here's how. I've devised a formula that can generate blog article topics with a single click. This formula empowers ChatGPT with an expert writer role and, when provided, generates diverse topics. All you need to do is paste the formula into the chat and voila! You'll receive the article's niche, target audience, and most importantly, engaging topics to write about. This formula ensures you'll never run out of idea. For instance, one topic that particularly caught my eye was in the travel niche, traveling on a budget. Once you've selected a topic, it's essential to check if people are actively searching for it. To do this for free, you have two options. The first is Google Trends, where you input relevant search terms to gauge demand. The presence of a chart indicates people are searching for that topic. The second option is using Google Keyword Planner. Here, you input relevant keywords for your topic, select the language and location, and click Get Results. This yields relevant keywords, average monthly search volumes, and competition levels. This data helps you determine whether people are interested in the chosen topic. In my case, traveling on a budget seemed like a promising topic to explore. With your article topic in hand, you'll want to start generating content. To expedite this process, I've developed custom prompts and commands for each step. All the formulas mentioned in this video are available in the description for your convenience. Let's start with crafting a compelling title. With this formula, you can generate attention-grabbing titles that succinctly convey the article's core subject matter. Simply copy and paste the formula into the chat, replacing selected topic with your chosen topic. In my case, I used traveling on a budget. And as you can see, various title options emerged. Next, we move on to the introduction. For this step, you'll need to select your preferred title and insert it where it says Selected Title. For example, I favored option number 4, Luxury Experiences at Economy Prices. By following this formula, you'll create a strong introduction that captures readers' attention effectively. Additionally, you can select the desired tone and writing style to suit your article's tone and style. Now let's talk about structuring the article. Using this formula, you can generate a detailed outline with just one click. Insert your chosen title, set the desired tone and writing style, and within seconds, you'll have a well-structured outline that guides your readers through the content effectively. Once you have your outline, it's time to generate the entire article. Copy the article formula and paste it into the chat. Then, click to copy the generated outline and place it beneath the formula. This simple step yields an entire article created with the assistance of AI. But we're not done yet. Now we need to monetize the article by incorporating affiliate products. These can be physical or digital, although I recommend promoting digital products due to their typically higher commissions and potential for recurring income. To find suitable affiliate products, you have several options. One method is to conduct a Google search for affiliate products related to your niche. In my example, I searched for travel-related affiliate programs. Another option is to explore affiliate marketplaces such as ClickBank or Digistore, where you can use relevant keywords to discover products aligned with your niche. Alternatively, websites like Impact or PartnerStack offer a plethora of affiliate programs you can apply to. Suppose you opt for physical products. In that case, Amazon's affiliate marketing program is an excellent choice. I discovered a travel-related product on ClickBank that seamlessly fit my topic. My goal now is to promote this product within my article. To achieve this, utilize the affiliate formula. This formula allows you to incorporate the product into your article in a way that provides value to the reader without appearing overly promotional. Simply input your article's title, the product's name, and a brief description of it. This will render your article ready for use, with the section promoting the affiliate product boldly highlighted for easy hyperlink addition. Now that you have your article, open a Google Doc and compile all the elements, including the title, description, and main content. To maintain a natural tone, use a paraphrasing tool like Quillbot, which rephrases your content, making it less recognizable as AI-generated. Copy each section of the article, paste it into Quillbot, and click Paraphrase. This process will alter the writing style, ensuring that your article doesn't appear automated. Once you've paraphrased the entire article, replace the old sections with the newly generated ones. At this point, your article should be ready for publication. Create an account on Medium.com, a reputable website that garners over 138 million monthly visits. It's well regarded by Google and often ranks on the first pages of search results. The best part? You can start using Medium for free. After signing up, you'll have access to your dashboard. To publish your first article, click Write in the top right corner. Insert the title and then start copying the content from your Google Doc, pasting it directly into Medium. Here, you can format the article by adding spaces and emphasizing essential sections. Don't forget to include relevant images to enhance the article's appearance and readability. You can find free-to-use images on sites like Pexels, or create your own AI-generated images using Midjourney. Finally, add the affiliate link in the designated section, and your article is good to go. Before publishing, ensure you include relevant topics related to your article. As you type, Medium will suggest suitable topics. Once you're satisfied, click Publish. Your article is now live and accessible to readers. If someone reads your article, clicks on your affiliate link, and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. The key to success in this side hustle is consistency. Keep posting and exploring new niches and products. Personally, I've written over 50 articles, and it took time to reach this point. Please don't get discouraged early on, and always remember that making money online requires dedication and effort. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Remember, patience is key to success. Thanks for watching.